In this video, we will learn how to create an Amazon wishlist. Let's get started. Here I am on my Amazon account dashboard. If you don't have one, sign up with email account and create one. To create a wishlist, go over there and click on Create a List. Here you can see, I don't have any list yet. Click on Create a List. Here, enter list name. And click on Create List. You can see, list is created. If you go over there and click on More, you can see Manage List option, click over here. You can see, list name, list privacy, I will change from private to public. You can manage list with Alexa. You can choose list for you or for organization. List recipient name. Enter email address, birthday, and here enter the list description. Shipping address. You can check mark Keep Purchased items on this list. Or Don't Spoil My Surprises. You can delete list from here. Once you all are done, then click on Save Changes. Scroll down and choose an item from here. If you go down there you can see Add to List. Click over there, you can see your list is here. Item is successfully added to your wish list. You can view from here. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.